Hello guys, welcome again to Chweya e-learning TV. Today we are handling a question in Commercial Arithmetic II, a topic in Form 3 under income tax. So we are presented with a question which reads, the table below is part of a tax table per monthly income for the year 2004. Monthly taxable income is given, and then we have the percentage that is charged in each shilling. In the tax year 2004, the tax of Kerubo's monthly income was 1,916. Calculate Kerubo's monthly income. So in handling this, we will first of all start by calculating the tax that Kerubo pays as per the tax bands. So if we start with the first taxation, so the first taxation will be, so we have first taxation. So the first taxation will be, so we'll take 9,681. We multiply by 10%, will be 10 over 100, which will give us, that is 9,681 times 10% is like 0.1, which will give us 968 shillings, 968 shillings and 10 cents. Again, we go to the second taxation. Coming to the second taxation, second taxation will be, so we take the difference between 18,801 minus 96,801, then we multiply this one by 15% is 0.15. Of course, so we subtract 18,801 minus 96,801. We get that, we multiply by 0.15. So what we get is 1,368. So we get 1,368 shillings. So what we are supposed to be doing is we need to sum up. We need to sum up the taxes we get and see whether we come close to the tax that Kerubo paid in that year 2004. So if we sum 968 and 10 cents, we add 1368. We add 1368. We will get 10. This is 16. This is 12 plus 1, 13. This is 12 plus 1, 13. Then plus 1, 2. 2,336 and 10 cents. And we realize that this value, 2,336, has gone beyond the tax that Kerubo paid during that year. So what we do, we will not include the second taxation. We shall not include the second taxation. Rather, we will do, what we shall do will be taking the difference between the tax Kerubo paid, which is 1,916, we subtract the tax she paid in the tax band, which is 968 and 10 cents. Of course, we will get, and so this is 1916. 1916 subtract 968 and 10 cents, we will get 947 and 90 cents. So this is the amount we get. So what we are going to do, we are going to form an expression So if you come back to this taxation table of ours, we are going to form an expression, meaning that the remaining tax, which is 947 and 90 cents, is supposed to be charged between the tax band, the first band and the second band. It is in between here. It is in between here. So what we are going to do, we shall assume that our taxable income, the one we are finding, is somewhere here, katikati, iko hapo katikati. It's in between here. So let's take it to be x. Let's take it to be x. So if I am supposed to form an expression for x, then I will say that x minus the 9,681, multiply this one with 15%, which is 0.15. I'm supposed to get the remaining tax, which is 947 and 90 cents. So I will open this bracket by multiplying 0.15 times x will be 0.15x minus 9681 times 0.515, 9681 multiply by 0.15. You get 1452 and 15 cents. You get 1452 and 15 cents. So we equate this one to 947 and 90 cents. So we find the value of x. 0.15x will be equal to 947 and 90 cents plus 1452 and 15 cents. So 0.15x will be equal to, so 947 and 90 cents plus 1452 and 15 cents. We get 2,400 and 5 cents. So if we divide through by 0.15, divide by 0.15, this one will cancel. So divide by 0.15, you get 16,000. So you get 16,000. You get 16,000. You get 16,000 and 33 cents and 33 cents. So that should be Kenya shillings. That should be the amount, that should be the taxable income. The question was calculate Kerubo's monthly income. Calculate Kerubo's monthly income. So Kerubo's monthly income, so therefore Kerubo's monthly income, Kerubo's monthly income should be equal to, Kerubo's monthly income should be equal to Kenya shillings 16,000 and 33 cents. Thank you. And that is the end of that question.